How for my second project, I'm going to use the idea that Mark Rober said, which is a painting frame that will move when people walk by the painting. But I'm going to do it slightly different from him. So I want to do uh, a frame, and it has a painting of a royal god. So when there's no people, it will show the royal god sleeping. And when people walk by, they trigger a sensor, and then a motor would turn the turn the painting, and then the painting will be switched to another painting, which is the royal god standing up. So it's kind of like, oh, when there's nobody, then he slacks off and sleep, and when you walk by, he stands up straight with his gun. So this is my CAD model of this this frame. So as you can see, this is the frame, and I have 4 pieces of plywood, and I have 4 pulleys on each side of the plywood. So a motor will drive these, and it will spin. It will spin like this, and by doing this, it can flip from one image to another image. And I haven't done the bottom part of the electronics yet, but it will be composed of a battery, a motor, a sensor, and an Arduino. So yeah, that's basically it. And more on the details of the design when I'm doing the video for the prototype phase.